Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doc Keys. In today's tutorial, we'll be teaching you guys how to set up hand bass for praise and worship on keyboard. First off, please guys, if you are new on this very channel, please do it to like, subscribe and share. So, first off, let me put it on default. So it's now on default, that is the grand piano. So to split, that is split, it means to put one voice on your left and your main voice will be on your right. See, the main voice is now grand piano for all the keys. So I want to split the bass on the left, the hand bass on the left for the worship. So to do that, I'll click on split. See, it now show me split voice. Yeah, finger bars. I normally use these finger bars for my worship. So it's not set. You see, it's not set. You now set it up first before we activate it. To set it up, you press this function. By the way, I'm using PSR E463 for this very tutorial. PSR E463 Yamaha keyboard. So let's continue. Press this very function. Now you use this very arrow to check for the volume, the octave, everything. So let's check for the volume. It's on 80. So since we are using it for our bass, our backup, so I'll put it to something like 110. See how I did it? I press 110. You see that I use this, or you can use this very knob and go up and down. You see, go put it on 110, that is 110. So we are still setting it up. So the next thing here, we press on function again, then use this arrow. Let us look for the octave is on -1. For these very finger bars, I will leave it at, yes, I will leave it at -1. I'll leave it at -1. So what else to set up before I activate it? I'll now look for the split point. That is where you want it to stop. Where you want it to stop. I will still explain it. Keep clicking on this arrow to get to the split point where you want the, yeah, it's on 60. Yeah, I normally use the 60. So let me activate it, then I will explain this. To activate it now, you now click on this split once. It's now activated. Let's check it out. You see? See? The 60 is here. Oh, it's on 59, not 60. So if you put it on 60 now, it will now stop here. You see? That's the meaning. This split point. Let me bring the camera closer. This split point is on 60. You see, it's now stops here. You can increase it or decrease it. You understand? You can put it on 55. If you put it on 55, it stopped here. You see? Hope you understand this one. So this is for your worship, and I'm going to use these finger bars. You see, from here it's your main voice, then from here it's your finger bars. You can now set any voice you want from here where this split point stopped. You understand? So this is for your worship. So let's set for the praise. Let me put it on default again. Let me reset everything to grand piano, then I'll do for the praise. So normally what I use for my praise is solo sign. So to set it up, you had to click on split again. Same process, but different settings. It's on finger bars. So let's look for this solo sign. Solo sign should be somewhere around 5-6 something. It's not 565, 567. Yeah, You see? So sign 568. You can check it out on your keyboard. If you're using E-Series keyboard, you can also see it there. So 568. So now let's now do the settings here. You click on function, same process. Now click on this arrow. The volume is on 110. For your praise, you can put it to something like 120. Some people will like it very high, very low, stuff like that. See? So let's check the octave. I normally put the octave on 0. To do that, use this as well. I might put it on 0. That is for the octave. So what else am I going to set up here? Let me check. Yeah, the split point where you want it to stop. You continue clicking on this very arrow to get to the split point where you want it to stop. It's on 55. Let's put it to something like 65. To do that, you click the number 65. Or you can also use this. Use this. Understand? 65. So let's activate it and see. To activate it, you click on this split once. See, it's now activated split. You see? See what I was. You see, this is pure bass. You see, you can as well put any other bass you like. Like some people also like using the fretless. The fretless. Let me go to it. Or the split voice. Let me check out the fretless. Yeah. I know someone that normally likes to use the fretless. It's around 50 something or so. Fretless. Or peak bass, yeah. Anyone you can select, but these two is what I use mainly. You understand? From here you can set it up as well. Peak bass. You can put the octave. See? Just trying to show you other bass you can see. Let's check out the fretless. The function, go to split octave. It's on -1. See? See the sound? So you can also use this very fretless. Let me show you. Yeah, it's on 057 on PSI E463. So this is how to set up your keyboard, your set up hand bass for praise and worship on keyboard. Please guys, if you like this very video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you guys.